If you're looking to get rid of your factory plastic front bumper and replace it with something more sturdy, today we're going to be checking out this front sport bumper featuring fog light cutouts and this tube fitting your 2007 to 18 JK Wrangler. This bumper features 1/8 inch thick steel construction with a 2" by 120 wall tubing. It has a durable textured black powder coating and even includes the D-rings to help you recover yourself when you get stuck. It features a mount for your winch, a winch fairlead mount, as well as 2 light mounts on the tube. With that being said, we're going to see how it looks on our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Now we've already got our factory bumper removed. We're going to show you a short clip on how to remove the factory bumper on your JK Wrangler. To get the front bumper removed, you have to pull out 8 bolts. Now there's 4 on this side, 2 on the outside of the frame rail, and 2 on the inside here. We're going to start with these outside ones and use a 3/4 inch socket. To get the nuts removed from inside the frame rail, we're going to remove this filler plate here. We're going to go right underneath the push pin and just pop it up. With the filler plate removed, you now have easy access to the inside of the frame rail and you can get to those 2 nuts. Repeat the same process on the other side of the Jeep. With all the nuts removed, you can remove your factory bumper. We're going to go ahead and set the bumper into place. Now you're going to make sure to get those studs lined up into the factory holes. On the outside of this passenger side frame rail, there's 2 studs. It's going to be the same on the other side. We're going to go ahead and put a washer, a lock washer, and then our nut on these. Come back and get them fully tightened up. Here we are on the other side of the frame rail, and we're going to do the same process: a washer, lock washer, and then a nut. For the top one, it's a little bit different. That's where you're going to use a bolt and a washer. We'll just get that started. Then repeat the same process on the other side and come back with a 3/4 inch wrench, get it all tightened down. Tighten them up with a 3/4 inch socket. Repeat the same process on the other side, and that'll complete your installation. This sport bumper is completely buttoned up onto our 2008 JK, and it looks really nice on the front end here. This is a sturdy bumper that comes with this nice tube, places for your factory fog lights, some extra light mounts, and even some D-rings with a nice crinkle black finish on there. It's going to really accent your Jeep well, and honestly, the install only uses a 3/4 inch socket and about 15 minutes of your time. And you can find this bumper as well as many other great parts for your JK right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.